Every year, there's a number that should genuinely stop every man over 60 in his tracks, because it reveals a quiet danger most people never talk about. 1 out of every 4 men over 60 falls each year. That means 25% of older men hit the ground at least once annually. But what makes this statistic truly frightening is not the fall itself, it is what follows. Falls are now the leading cause of injury-related death in men over 65. Not car accidents, not sudden illnesses, not dramatic events, simple, everyday falls. A large study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society followed more than 12,000 men for 6 years. What researchers discovered was chilling. Men who experienced just one serious fall had a 42% higher risk of dying within the next 3 years compared to men who never fell. And for men who fell more than once, the risk rose even higher, to 67%. These numbers are not meant to scare you into fear. They are meant to wake you into action. Many men hear these statistics and think, that won't be me, I feel strong, I feel capable. But the truth is, the body changes quietly, whether you notice it or not. After age 30, men lose 3 to 5% of their muscle mass every decade. After 60, that process accelerates sharply. Scientists call this sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it is one of the biggest hidden contributors to weakness, imbalance, and falls. A landmark study from Tufts University found that men between 60 and 70 lose muscle 3 times faster than men in their 40s. By age 80, the average man has lost nearly 40% of the muscle he had at 30. That loss affects everything: strength, balance, reaction time, posture, and confidence. But here's the most important truth of all. This decline is not permanent. It is not inevitable, and it is absolutely reversible. Multiple research institutions around the world have proven that the right daily movements can stop muscle loss and even reverse it. In one powerful study from the University of Michigan, men in their 60s and 70s followed a simple daily exercise routine. After just 12 weeks, they increased their strength by 30 to 40%. Their balance improved by 25%. Their walking speed increased by 15%. Most importantly, their risk of falling was reduced by nearly half. The exercises that produced these results were not complicated. There were no machines, no gyms, no expensive equipment, no exhausting workouts, just simple, targeted movements that take less than 15 minutes a day. These are the exact movements proven to protect men over 60. And today, you're going to learn the 3 most important ones, ranked from important to most important based on scientific evidence. The most surprising part? The number 1 exercise is not what most people expect. In fact, a groundbreaking study from Harvard Medical School found that men who performed this one specific movement daily reduced their risk of early death by 40%. Stay with me, because this information can genuinely change your future. Before we begin, let us know in the comments your age and where you are watching from. We read every comment here at the Seniors Hub, and your experience helps others feel less alone. Now let us begin with exercise number 3 and work our way up to the most important one. The 3rd most important exercise for men over 60 is walking. You have heard this before, but the science behind it may surprise you. A massive study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine tracked over 47,000 adults for 7 years, focusing specifically on men over 60. Men who walked just 22 minutes per day had a 25% lower risk of dying from any cause compared to sedentary men. That is less than half an hour. When walking time increased to 40 minutes per day, the risk dropped another 15%. At 60 minutes per day, cardiovascular disease risk fell by 31%. Walking works because it directly reverses age-related arterial stiffness, the natural hardening of blood vessels that forces the heart to work harder. In a study from the University of Colorado, men who followed a daily walking program showed arterial flexibility similar to men 20 years younger. Their blood vessels literally became more youthful. Walking also protects the brain. Research from the University of Pittsburgh found that sedentary men over 60 lose 1 to 2% of hippocampal volume per year, the brain region responsible for memory. But men who walked regularly actually increased hippocampal size, reversing cognitive decline. Forget the myth of 10,000 steps. That number came from a marketing campaign, not science. Research shows that the sweet spot for men over 60 is 7 to 8,000 steps per day. Benefits plateau beyond that. What matters more is pace. Walk at a moderate intensity, able to talk but not sing. This pace burns nearly twice the calories of slow strolling and delivers greater heart protection. Walking after meals is especially powerful. Just 15 minutes after eating significantly improves blood sugar control, which becomes more difficult with age. Varying surfaces, grass, trails, uneven ground activates stabilizing muscles and improves balance by up to 20%. Proper footwear matters too. Thin, flexible shoes with good grip improve balance by enhancing sensory feedback from the feet. But walking alone is not enough. Which brings us to exercise number 2, single leg balance stands. Standing on one leg may seem too simple to matter, yet it is one of the strongest predictors of longevity ever studied. In a British Journal of Sports Medicine study, adults aged 51 to 75 who could not balance on one leg for 10 seconds had an 84% higher risk of dying within 7 years. Balance requires coordination between the brain, eyes, inner ear, muscles, joints, and nervous system. When any part weakens, balance suffers. Men, in particular, lose balance faster than women due to reduced body awareness and overconfidence. But balance is highly trainable at any age. Daily balance practice reduces fall risk by up to 38% in men with prior balance issues. Start near a wall or chair. Lift one foot and balance for up to 30 seconds. Switch sides. If that feels difficult, that means the exercise is working. Within 4 weeks, balance time often doubles. Progress by closing your eyes, standing on a folded towel, or adding gentle movement. Dynamic balance exercises reduce fall risk 40% more than static holds. Balance training should be done daily. Just 2 to 3 minutes per day is enough, but stopping for 2 weeks causes benefits to fade. Balance is a use it or lose it skill. Now we reach the most important exercise of all. The number 1 movement for men over 60 is the squat. Squats have more scientific support than any other exercise for aging adults. Harvard Medical School followed over 4,000 adults for 13 years and found that low leg strength increased mortality risk by 40%, independent of age, weight, or lifestyle. Each kilogram increase in leg strength reduces death risk by 6%. Squats activate the largest muscles in the body: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, triggering powerful hormonal responses. Studies show squats increase testosterone by 21% and growth hormone by up to 400% in older men. These hormones preserve muscle, bone density, metabolism, and mental sharpness. Squats directly counter sarcopenia. Men over 60 who performed squats 3 times per week gained muscle, lost fat, and increased metabolic rate within 12 weeks. More importantly, squats strengthen the exact movements used in daily life: standing up, climbing stairs, getting out of cars, and picking objects off the floor. Men who trained squats improved chair rise speed by 34% and reduced falls by 43% compared to those who trained only upper body exercises. Proper form is essential. Begin with feet slightly wider than shoulders, toes angled slightly outward. Push hips back as if sitting into a chair. Keep chest lifted, weight in heels, and knees aligned with toes. Lower only as far as comfortable. Partial squats still provide enormous benefits. If full squats feel difficult, use chair squats. Sit briefly, then stand. Progress gradually. 10 squats per day produce measurable strength gains in 8 weeks. Bodyweight squats can be done daily. Heavier resistance requires rest days. Morning exercise appears most effective due to hormone rhythms. Together, walking, balance training, and squats form a complete protection system. Less than 40 minutes per day can cut fall risk nearly in half, restore strength, preserve independence, and extend life. This is not about living forever. It's about living well. Start today. Stand on one leg right now. Do 10 squats before your next meal. Take a walk this evening. Your future self is watching and thanking you for every step you take today. Welcome to the Seniors Hub. Strength has no age limit.